Hey guys! Today we're making a miniature Polaroid camera, so I hope you'll enjoy. I first made a rough sketch to get an idea of the size, then rolled out a sheet of clay on the pasta machine and cut out the shape. This is going to be the front of the camera, so you first want to round off the edges. Then add the grip thing as well as the button and the viewfinder. I then cut a strip of clay and added this to make the outside of the lens case. Then add a couple of more details and pre-bake. After pre-baking, I closed the gap in the circle and added clay around the lens case to hide the seams. Next, you want to cut out a circle to make the lens itself. You want this to fit inside the lens case while still leaving a small gap all the way around. Pre-bake that, glue it onto a piece of cardstock, then cut it out, leaving a small edge all the way around it. Pop that into the lens case, then add some clay along the rim so it can't come out. I also added some liquid clay to strengthen it, pre-baked and added the final details on the front. After pre-baking that, I placed it on top of a new sheet of clay, cut out the shape, and blended out the seam. I then just used my X-Acto knife, a pointy dotting tool and a needle tool to add the details on the back as well as the rim on the top where the photos come out. For the flash on the front, I painted it with silver colored alcohol ink and then added a small piece of translucent clay, then bake. After baking, you can paint on some details using acrylic paint. I first added some shading using some pink paint and then added the rest of the details using a darker pink as well as black and grey. For the pictures, you can just cut out a piece of paper in the right size. And to make a simple wrist strap, I just tied a knot on some sewing thread and glued that in place. Then seal with glaze, and you're done.